Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome back to the channel. Join me today on my trip to the Sanctuary of Truth, located in South Pattaya, just off the Gulf of Thailand. This temple is built entirely of wood and stands over 100 meters tall. All the sculptures are handmade and built on site, which you will see later in the video. Access is via these stairs, and they are quite steep, which may be tricky for people with mobility issues. Construction began in 1981 and is ongoing. There are people working on it as we speak. But visitors are still allowed to visit. They can have a look around outside and go inside the structure, but you have to wear hard hats. You will see these being issued shortly, and they have to be worn at all times.
Just a moment.
The majority of the sculptures are made here on site, and here you can see one of the girls carving out one of the individual pieces, which will be attached to the structure at a later date. If you look to the left of the screen on the rooftop, you can see the statue of the four-faced Hindu creator god Brahma, showing respect to father, mother, teacher, and the king. If you look just below this, you can see the elephant-headed god Ganesha. Inside the building there are four dedicated halls. The northern hall features Buddhist, Guanyin and sculptures featuring wisdom of emancipation. The Western Hall features representations of the classical elements: earth, water, wind and fire, and sculptures of the Hindu Trinity, Lord Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. The Eastern Hall features familial representations. The main focus is to visually portray important Eastern religious concepts and the cycle of life. The Southern Hall features astronomical themes, namely the Sun, Moon and other planets which impact people's well-being.
See the strong men kicking, bullying, and fighting to their helpers instead of helping the family. And that man up there who took everything to nature, but they did not give back. See, if we keep doing that, there's nothing left for the future generation. While the opposite side in here, this is the society full of gratitude. Those people who are grateful and thankful to their supporters, and we could see up there, we are taking care as well of the nature by replanting a net. And lastly, at your back, everyone, that is the society for the prisoners.
Other activities on the site include ATV rides, cruises on Thai gondolas, elephant rides, and a poolside restaurant serving Thai and halal food. So, if you're in Pattaya and you're looking for something different to do, the Sanctuary of Truth is well worth a visit. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.
Расскажи, как